Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. I welcome you all. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, who would like to discuss today about one of the subject of second year BMS, that is Rasa Shastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana. This particular video is regarding Rasa Shastra, and we will talk today about Uparasa. As you know, everybody, that Rasa Ushadhis are the best medicines, revolutionary medicines and Ayurveda because of lot of benefits out of its Rasa Ushadhi with compared to the herbal products. For example, Rasa Ushadhis are in a most of the time capsule and tablet form and very easy to take. Very easy. So patient response, patient's compliance is very good. No problem of bitter taste of herbal powders. So easy to take. Huh? So this is one of the best, I can say, the benefit. Then second benefit is the palatability, as I have told, no problem of the taste. Easy to carry. Easy to carry. Anywhere we can carry. Then the dose is very less with compared to the herbal powders. And last but not least, I can say that this particular herbo mineral compounds, Rasaushadhi, are very, very fast in action. So they can be used to control the emergencies. For example, Hemagarbha Pattali can be compared with the adrenaline of life-saving drug. So today we will discuss about Uparasa. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. My Ayurveda Academy channel is for students, professors, doctors, and patients, everybody. So, usefulness. This video is very useful to give the introductory understanding about Uparasa. So, second year BMS students, syllabus paper 1 part B, they will get benefit from this particular video. And also, the doctors can be get benefited because understanding the properties and the products or the medicines from these uparasas, they can definitely get useful in their medical practice. So which are the uparasas as per the Rasarasna Samuchaya? Gandhashma Gairi Kasis, Kankshi Tala Shilanjanam, Kankusht Cha Iti Uparasashtashtau Parada Karmani. All these Maharasa, Sadhan Rasa, Uparasas, they are very useful in processing the different steps in the Parada or the mercury. They are very helpful to give the different processing to the Parada or mercury. So these are called as a Maharasa, which are very important. Different chemical formulas for Maharasa, Uparasa, and Sadharan Rasa. Today we will concentrate on Uparasa. Gandhashma Gairi Kasis Kankshi Tala Shilanjanam Kankushtha Cha Iti Uparasaha Cha Ashtau Parada Karmani. Maharasas 8 in number. Sadharan Rasa 8 in number. Uparasa 8 in number. Gandhak, that is sulfur. Parat and Gandhak, when we mix together, it's called as a Kajjali in Ayurveda. And this Kajjali, this chemical formula is very, very fantastic. We use all the time this Parada Gandhaka Kajjali in most of the herbo mineral products or Rasaushadhi because it has a catalytic action, very fast, without changing their own properties. Then Gairika, that is hematite, Gairika. Cassis, very useful as in anemia because it is iron compound. Ferrous sulfate, Cassis ferrous sulfate. Kangshi, regularly we use after shaving, alum, Kangshi, okay. Hartal, very poisonous. Hartal, yellow arsenic, Manashir, red arsenic. Hartal, yellow arsenic, Manashir, red arsenic. Anjana, lead of antimony ore, and Kankashtha, that is also a herbal product. Actually, this is also odd man out. Rhubarb, Garcinia morella, gum of the Mysore gambos tree. Okay, this Kankushtha. Gandak, sulfur. You can see the yellow color of the Gandak. Antiseptic. Gandak is the best antiseptic. Antibacterial. Okay, rejuvenator, aphrodisiac, anti-aging. As I have told you, all Rasakalpas are rejuvenator. Aphrodisiac means sex tonic, anti-aging, and health promoter, and anabolic, nutritious to all dhatus. Rasa rakta mouse made asti majja shukra. Skin tonic and improves the digestion. So Gandak is used for diabetes patient, non-healing ulcer, skin diseases, ascites, irritable bowel syndrome, anemia, and tuberculosis. Gandhak Rasayan is very famous medicine in Ayurveda many times for the Pittaj and Raktaj Vyadhi. Pathology of Pitta and pathology of the blood is getting taken care by Gandhak Rasayan. Is anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. By what you can say, just for comparison, I always say Sukshma Triphala. Write down Sukshma Triphala plus Gandhak Rasayan. Sukshma Triphala 2 TDS and Gandhak Rasayan 2 TDS. You always use whenever you suspect any septic. So in spite of giving to the what you can say the cephalosporins or penicillin derivatives, ampicillin, amoxicillin, azithromycin, roxithromycin, I will suggest for respiratory problem, digestive problem, skin problem, whenever you want to use any antiseptic, first 2-3 days you must give chance to the Sukshma Triphala and Gandhak Rasayan combination. Sukshma Triphala and Gandhak Rasayan combination, as per my opinion, works like antibiotic of Ayurveda. Rasaparpati, best for intestinal and digestive problems, especially Grahani, irritable bowel. Samira Pannak, best analgesic in Ayurveda for all types of musculoskeletal problems. Gandhaka Dhruti. Gandhaka Dhruti is a specific preparation and it's the best for previously there was very famous Vaidya and they were used to use this Gandhaka Dhruti for even the diphtheria patients. Try to understand. And they cured this diphtheria with using Gandhaka Dhruti. Then Gandhaka Malhar is like ointment. Gairika, hematite, red, amber, properties of gairic, appetizer, improves the digestion and balances the pitta and kapha dosha. So it can be, gairic can be used because of the kashai and astringent test in acidity, irritable bowel syndrome, duodenal ulcers. It helps for healing purpose. Gairic is always for healing purpose. Stomatitis, gastritis, all the ITIS inflammations can be cured by gairic. Ulcers can be cured by gairic because it has a healing property. Bleeding diseases to stop the bleeding. Styptic action. Not antiseptic. Styptic, STY. That means stopping of hemostatic action. Stopping the blood. Even bleeding coming from epistaxis, from the sputum. Then what you can say, the hematemesis, vomiting with blood. Then malina, bleeding is coming through the stools. Hematuria, or vaginal bleeding, menstrual excess. So all these conditions, whenever there is a bleeding, rakta pitta problem, use the gairic. Kamadudhavati, Kamadudha, very cooling drug. Best anti-pitta. It reduces the ushna tikshna property of pitta, Kamadudharas. Best antacid in Ayurveda, Kamadudharas. Irimedadi Taila, here for stomatitis. Irimedadi Taila for stomatitis external application. Laghu Sutta Shekhar for vomiting. What you can say, the morning sickness, even the traveling sickness. What we say, that motion sickness that can be controlled by Laghu Sutta Shekhar. 2 tablets before starting your travel. Then Padadari Malhar for the Padadari, that means the features at the sole. Gairikadi Pralep is again the external application. Kasis, ferrous sulfate, green vitriol. Health promoter, anabolic enhancer, all the dhatus, rasarakta, shukra, all be nourished. Feminine tonic, casis, all type of bleeding disorders, ophthalmic tonic, and hematinic. The most important part, casis is a hemoglobin is definitely increased when you use the casis. Hematinic balances the vata and kapha. Cassis basma is usually used in non-healing ulcers, anemia, tuberculosis, amenorrhea due to less hemoglobin. Try to understand. Amenorrhea, menstrual cycle is not proper because of anemia. Anemia will be corrected and automatically the menstruation will start. Okay. Fever, heat is there. Diseases of spleen. So we can use Cassis basma 60 to 240 milligram BD 2 times in a day. Raja Pravartini Vati. Raja Pravartini Vati. Raja means menstrual cycle. Pravartini to stimulate the menstrual cycle, hormonal cycle. Then Shitari Rasa, Kasisadi Gutika, and Loh Rasayana. Okay, Kasi se bhasmavati is also available. Huh? Kangshi, that is alum after shaving. Next, properties of Kangshi: skin tonic, anti-poisonous, balances all the three doshas and stops the bleeding. Whenever we do the shaving, it always having some cuts and bleeding spots. So that's why we rub the alum to stop the bleeding. Bleeding disorders, disease of the skin, and disease of the larynx, vocal cord. Okay, Kasi's Kangshi powder for local application here. Then Kangshi Drav, again liquid form. Shweta Parpati for ulcerative colitis, Shankha Drava, and Chatushuddhi Rasa. These are the products from Kangshi. Harta, very poisonous drug, yellow arsenic, but we Ayurveda used in a purified form after Shuddhi. So this is also rejuvenator, skin tonic, but this is anti-helminthic, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Harta is the best antibiotic again in Ayurveda. Aphrodisiac, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic enhancer, and also all the Rasaushadhi takes care of metabolic process. Improved digestion means not only central digestion, but peripheral tissue digestion is also improved by this Rasaushadhi. So harta is used for skin diseases, asthma, because it's ushna tikshna harta. So it reduces the cough, bronchitis, bronchiectasis, piles, dry piles. Don't use in a bleeding piles. Huh? No, no. Only dry piles. Nervous diseases, whenever there is amasanchiti, psychological problems, tama guna is more. Alasya, laziness, inactivity is there, then you can use the harta. Samira Pannagras, I am repeatedly telling you, this is the best analgesic of Ayurveda. Samira means Vata, it controls the Vata and musculoskeletal problem, neurological problems. Samir Pannagras. Rasamanikya, Kasturi Bhairavaras. Kasturi Bhairavaras. Many Vaidyas, they can use this in very, what you can say, the corona type of the cough problems. Then Kasturi Bhairavaras, many Vaidyas are trying. Vata Gajankush Rasa and Smruti Sagar Rasa. Manashir, this is also poisonous, red arsenic, but Ayurveda use after cleaning or detoxification. Rejuvenator, skin tonic, anti-helminthic, antibacterial, antiviral, aphrodisiac, anti-aging, health promoter, anabolic, acting on all the rasa, rakta, mans, med, asti, majja, shukra. Use the nourishment by cleaning the sroto shuddhi. Sroto shodhan is done by harta and manashya. So used again very similar skin diseases with lot of wet secretions. Clay will be there. Asthma, bronchitis, bronchiectasis, piles, neurological problems, and psychological problems due to tamoguna. Okay, obstruction is there. Mental functioning is delayed, lethargic. Samir Pannagras, Shwas Kuthar Ras, Trailokya Chintamani, and Smruti Sagar Ras. Okay, so Anjana, lead of antimony ore. Today, Anjana is again controversial drug. Some experts in Ayurvedic believes that Anjana is the lead sulfide. Some will say that it is a zinc oxide. Some will say that stibnite is the Anjana. So due to controversy and unavailability, Anjana is also not used in the day-to-day practice much more. Only Rasanjana, that is decoction of Daruhalad, is available. Jasad Pushpa or Pushpanjana is used for the preparation of cream. Okay. Kankushtha, gum of Mysore gambos tree. Today, Kankushtha is again a controversial drug. Some experts in Ayurveda believes that Kankushtha is the umbilical cord of horse. Some believes that it is the racine of Garcinia morella. Again, due to controversy and unavailability, Kankushtha is very less used or not used in the day-to-day practice. The theoretically, Dhanvantari Grita or Shrotodharari ras, that means which reduces the Shot edema, it also contains the Kankushta. Formulation of Kankushta, Godanti Vasma, then Trailokya Chintamani Ras. These are the products of Kankushta. So my dear friends, today we have talked about Uparasa. In this way, my videos are there about Rasa Shastra, explaining first video is Parada and Maharasa, second is Sadharan Rasa, third is Uparas. I hope you will like all these videos. There will be also videos regarding the Dhatu and also Ratna and Uparatna. So if you want to learn any subject of Ayurveda from first year BMS to last year BMS, first, second, third, fourth BMS, Rachana, Kriya, Dravya Guna, Rasa Shastra, please, please, please go to my Ayurveda Academy channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. And you can demand PPT, audios, and videos as a paid service from Dr. Deshpande by WhatsApp me 922681060. Okay. So once again, I thank you very much and request all of you, please share this video, like this video, give your comments and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best for your studies and also for your practice, medical practice. If you are a patient, get well soon.